Listen, Rabbi Wasserstein and I are concerned.
Yes.
We've been meeting in private, and now we think it's a good idea to talk, the three of us.
Listen, it's cool that you're into like weird stuff, and I want to be a part of that. And Rabbi Wasserstein thinks we should, and I just think it's something we should talk about instead of you having to hide it.
God does not judge, or if he does, we won't know till it's too late.
If I understand the Old Testament, God's pretty judgy. He's a pretty judgy guy.
Oh, we've loosened up over time. We kind of take a lenient view on some things now.
Yeah, lenient view, babe.
You're not Orthodox.
No, I'm not at all.
Why don't you start by telling us what happens when you feel like you need to get one of these massages?
It's like a burning inside of me. It starts somewhere down the base of my spine. It just rises on up.
Like the
It makes me do things. Makes me call up strange women to do weird stuff. Weird stuff.
Do you have the phone number?
When I get the urge to do some stuff, you know, some weird stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I just pick up my Sally and I call my homegirl Coco. She's into weird stuff. I go to a place and she mashes a whole bowl of bananas and she rubs my body down. And then we slide down the hallway like a slip and slide while we're both dressed up like clowns. It's some really weird stuff. I'm into some weird stuff. Some really, really weird stuff. And now you know the truth about weird stuff.
Baby, I love you more than you'll know. I want to go to those dark places